Breaking news on this impact day out of Big Sur. A car has gone over the side of the cliff. Happened near Hurricane Point. That's about a mile or so from Bixby Bridge. Action News 8 reporter Brandon Cadiz live there right now. Brandon, what do you know?
Yeah, Dan, we just got here about a few minutes ago where we talked to California State Parks, and we are just gathering some information. They were first on scene. They couldn't tell us anything else, but we're going to pan over here to the side. We did see a car pulled up here to the corner as California State Parks was talking to that vehicle there. Again, we're just learning this information. We'll keep you updated, but we are here live near Hurricane Point. We are just gathering this information. You can see that these conditions are definitely impacted with the weather that we have. We're live in Big Sur. I'm Brandon Cadiz, KSVW, Action News 8.
Brandon, thank you. Appreciate it. Winds obviously very stiff there, and today is an impact day.